Hi, Dr. Devan here again from Westside Orthodontics. Today I want to teach you how to deal with a broken bracket. A bracket is basically the metal square component of your braces. If it dislodges, please give us a call to notify the clinic. And while you're waiting for an appointment, rest assured the bracket will often still be attached to the wire via this module and won't go anywhere. But sometimes it may rotate and stick out and irritate the lip, in which case just roll a piece of orthodontic wax into the shape of a ball and place it over the bracket to smooth it over, and that should do the trick.